Hello, welcome to Bull Knowledge Hub. I have to think in English, I have to think in English, and finally I have to think in English. I am getting this question and this remark that I have to. And what should be the process? How can I inculcate this habit of thinking in English, especially when you are in the conversation where you have to respond, where you have to be logical, and you have to give your arguments with some solid reasons. So how you can think simultaneously, because you are one person and your brain is also one, but your brain is supposed to be engrossed in different kind of activities. Be present at the moment, listen to the audience, and be curious about that person whom you are talking to. These are the three things you have to observe first. And in this video, I am going to share with you a couple of techniques which I have formulated on this page, because these techniques are quite important. While I am currently now making conversational videos, and this thing has become crystal clear to me that thinking in English right at the moment, right at the spot, is the requirement of conversation when you are engage in such kind of conversational videos, because you don't have enough time to ponder, to get a chance to just revise your thoughts. You don't have a rubber or eraser with yourself to just erase whatever you have said. You have to say at once, and you have to be logic, and you have to be logical, and supplement your answer with some arguments. So this is the requirement. Now the question arises here is that how you can inculcate this habit. The first thing is the mirroring technique. I do not say that just stand in front of mirror, because you are not confronting a mirror, rather you are confronting with a person. So by mirroring technique, I would suggest you that whatever the topic is there, for example, if someone says you, I went for a vacation, now you are clueless about what to say next. You don't have the words to say, so you have to utilize this mirroring technique. In fact, you are corresponding, you are just twisting the words of the speaker. For example, if someone says, we went for a vacation, you should say, oh, you went for a vacation? In fact, you are repeating the same words of the speaker, and you are providing a chance to the speaker to elaborate to which place they have went. And now he will say that we went for vacation to a specific place. Now you should raise a second question, that what was the most curious or what was the most favorite place you have observed about there, or what kind of activities you have performed there to enjoy. Now you are elaborating, you are stretching the point. Now you are not thinking by yourself, you are curious, you are present, you are observing the recent scenario. This is the most important thing, and it will not only arise the curiosity in the observer or the speaker, he will rather speak more enthusiastically, because it is observed that most of human beings, as we are human beings, it is our tendency to just talk about our likes and dislikes, about our opinions, about our hobbies, and whatever we have did in our past. So you are providing a chance to the speaker to elaborate. Now first of all, if this is done, and if there is no one to talk about the vacation, to talk about the past incident, now you are clueless, you are coming across with a stranger. The second technique is the most effective technique, and this technique is called be curious and be present at the moment, and you have to observe minutely your surrounding. For example, if there is nothing to say, you have to observe minutely your environment, your surrounding, and whatever is appealing to you, you just have to start with that thing. For example, this white color of the wall, there is nothing, but would you say that I like the white color and I like the white color roses, as daisy is one of them? And in this way, what color do you like the most and why do you like the most? In this way, you will get to know the starter point for your conversation. So this is the best technique. If you apply these kind of techniques, you will not only think at the moment, at the spot, but your conversation would be much more engaging, you would be much more curious, and this feeling of getting blank, this feeling of getting hesitation, or I am not catching the right words, the words are not coming to my mind, will be erased forever. So apply these two techniques and get benefit. If you like these techniques, like, share and subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon, because thinking is the most important factor, and this helps us to remove the translating factor from our brain. So apply this technique and you will see the tremendous change in your thinking pattern. Now you will see that your brain is curious now, your brain is observing, it is not rather perplexed in getting the point, in getting the what kind of words you have to utilize. Rather, your brain is just creating a scenario for you in which you are at comfortable level for this with the speaker, and you are conversing one after the other thing, one after the other thing, and in this way your connection, your relationship will be built, and you will see that now your communication skills are much better than your past. If you really like this idea, and if you have any other idea to have to drive your brain towards thinking pattern, let me know in comment section, because this comment section is of great importance, because every reader, every observer, every person who watches the video must comes to the comment section and he reads what is the viewpoint, what is the opinion of other persons, because as human beings we are curious about what the other person is thinking. So this is quite important factor, and we all YouTube family, and we have to support each and every person who is involved in this English language journey. Whatever you are observing, whatever you are practicing, if it is a strange, if it is little bit different, and if it is a unique, then you must share in comment section. It will be of high value for all learners. So with this positive note, I certainly end this video. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.